Welcome to our Sun Tzu series, where we'll explore quotes from his timeless masterpiece, The Art of War. With 30 parts, you'll gain insights into this ancient Chinese military strategist and philosopher. This is part 3. Let's get started. In business, conflict is inevitable, but how you handle it can make all the difference. As a salesperson, sales manager, or business owner, avoiding unnecessary conflict is essential for maintaining positive relationships and achieving long-term success. So, as Sun Tzu, the Chinese military strategist, once said, "The wise warrior avoids the battle." In sales, avoiding unnecessary conflict means using strategic thinking and conflict resolution techniques to build trust and rapport with customers. This involves avoiding confrontational or aggressive tactics, and instead using active listening, empathy, and negotiation to understand customers' concerns and objections. For example, imagine a potential client is hesitant to make a decision. Instead of pressuring them into a sale, a wise salesperson takes the time to understand their needs and goals and provide solutions that address their concerns. As a sales manager or small business owner, it's crucial to encourage your team to adopt a strategic and empathetic approach to conflict resolution. Provide training and support to help them develop their negotiation and communication skills, and emphasize the importance of maintaining positive relationships with customers and colleagues. When conflicts do arise, use strategic thinking to resolve them quickly and effectively. This can involve finding mutually beneficial solutions that meet the needs of all parties involved. For example, imagine two colleagues are in conflict over resource allocation. A wise manager can use strategic thinking to find a solution that benefits both individuals and the company. In summary, avoiding unnecessary conflict is key to achieving long-term success in sales and business. By using strategic thinking and conflict resolution techniques, you can maintain positive relationships with customers and colleagues, and create a positive work environment. So, as Sun Tzu wisely said, "The wise warrior avoids the battle." This is the end of the video. Don't forget to look out for part 4 of this 30-part series. If you enjoy this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Buy us a coffee to help this channel grow. Take care and have a great day.